Anchor your website menu, about, portfolio, reviews, contact, individually to each website section, like this. Anchor portfolio, anchor reviews, anchor frequently asked questions, anchor contact. Log into your website WordPress dashboard. Now find your navigation menu. Mine is built separately with Elementor header and footer builder, so my navigation menu is in header. Under appearance, Elementor header and footer builder. Here it is, header. I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Open a new tab. And here is my website navigation menu. Portfolio, reviews, facts and contact. Now we are going to anchor it. First step, click on each one separately, and under link you need to put hashtag and name it however you want. I'm going to name it hashtag portfolio. Same for reviews. Under content link, hashtag reviews. For frequently asked questions, also under link hashtag facts. And for contact, also under link hashtag contact. And click on update. This is step 1. In the next step, we need to come to our website homepage and find website sections for portfolio, reviews, facts and contact. And we need to put CSS ID but without hashtag. So make sure not to misspell it. Everything needs to be spelled the same, just without hashtag. For portfolio, just portfolio. For reviews, just reviews. Facts, just facts. And contact, just contact under CSS ID. So come to your website homepage. As you can see, my header is built separately. Now scroll down, find your portfolio website section, and here it is. Click on it. And under advanced settings, scroll down and find CSS ID. And just put portfolio without hashtag. Now we need to find reviews. Scroll down. Click on them. Advanced settings. Scroll down, find CSS ID. Reviews without hashtag. Same for frequently asked questions. Here there are. Advanced settings, scroll down, CSS ID, just facts. And the last one for contact, here it is, CSS ID, just contact without hashtag. Now before we save changes and test it so it works perfectly, I want to show that it's not going to work before we save changes. Come to your website homepage and try clicking on each navigation menu. And as you can see, it's not working. And now I'm going to save changes, refresh my home page, and now when I click on portfolio, as you can see, it's working. I'm going to do the same for reviews, also for frequently asked questions, and lastly for contact. And that's it. Quick and easy video on how to anchor your navigation menu to your each website section. It's easy and convenient both for you and your website visitors to be organized on your website. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Hope now you can anchor your website navigation menu to your website sections hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel.